The management of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, has condoled with two female students, Asia and Sa'adatu, over the demise of their father, engineer Sani Bello. The condolence message was contained in a statement by the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Isar, and issued to newsmen in Kano on Thursday. Engineer Sani Bello died in Kaduna on Tuesday, the 10th of January 2023, following a brief illness. On behalf of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Kano, we extend our deepest condolence and heartfelt condolences to Asia Sani Bello and Sa'adatu Sani Bello, students of the Social and Management Sciences and School of Health Sciences, on the sad demise of their father, Engineer Sani Bello, Professor Edward said. He said the death of Engineer Sani Bello was a great loss not only to his immediate family, but to his close relations, friends, business associates, as well as people of Kaduna State. He prayed that Almighty Allah give the student and the entire family the strength and courage to bear the irreplaceable loss. He also prayed to Almighty Allah to grant the deceased the highest level of Jannah. May the Almighty Allah forgive his shortcomings and grant him Jannatul Firdaus. Ameen, Professor said in a statement.